Hey everybody, it's me, it's Brit. B to the R to the I to the T. Big B, that's me. So y'all, it's not Friday, it's Thursday. Today's a big day for me on YouTube. So today we have some scrimps and we have some snow crab legs with my homemade sauce. So I told you I've been working on the storage. I do have some things I'm going to talk to y'all about, so we're gonna start it. And today we having some, I want to pop the champagne, of course, but we're gonna get to it. Okay, so if I don't get to the champagne, y'all, just know it's still gonna get popped, okay? Meaning if my phone cut off. Okay. So today marks a year that I've been on YouTube, y'all. I am so happy. I'm so excited. One, because I'm consistent. I'm being consistent with this. This sauce is good, y'all. And, you know, I meet new people, good people, you know. So, this is cool. This is good for me. I like it, you know. And shout out to all of y'all out there. A shout out to y'all out there that's watching me, that's showing love to me. You know what I'm saying? That's talking to me. That's subscribed. Just everything. Thank y'all for supporting me. Showing love, all that. Thank y'all for getting me here. I'm up to 60 subscribers, y'all. I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. Okay. On my next video, I'm gonna do my shout outs. Okay. So, you know, so I definitely gotta show y'all love back. You know, it's not a one-sided thing over here. No, it's not. So I appreciate y'all. And just let's keep it going. You know, I figure every 100 subscribers I get, I'm gonna do a cash giveaway. Every 100 subscribers I get, I will do a guaranteed cash giveaway. And I've been thinking about calling y'all my babooskis. So y'all let me know. Oh yeah, my lips crusty, y'all. I don't like that. I hate how to keep looking at my lips. But I am thinking about calling y'all my babooskis. So, put a little salt on that. So y'all tell me what y'all think about that. I'm thinking about the boys, the men, young men. Thinking about calling y'all just like broskies, you know. I'm gonna call around with bullshit. You know. I don't know if y'all want to be called babooskis, but if you do, hey babooskis. So do some crab. So let me know what y'all think. Hopefully y'all like it because I already set up an email. So if y'all contact me, ask questions, anything, you can contact me here. Okay, so I like the name. I just like really, one day it just came to me. Like out of the blue. And I'm like, you know what? What if I call them my babooskis? I like that name. So, That's where I'm at with the name. So so yes, y'all, I'm just still like really excited that it's a year on YouTube for me. Like, I am really excited. Y'all don't even understand. Oh, y'all, so good. Y'all want a piece? Let's get some of the sauce right here. Y'all see it? See that sauce? Ooh. Ooh. This will be perfect for the limes and the mince. And you know what? I looked right at them too. And I just said, you know what? Forget it. I don't got time. So I'm gonna do like a Q&A. Y'all have any questions? Or if y'all have any topics y'all wanna go over, or y'all want me to answer, maybe get my point of view on, let me know. Or leave me a comment, contact me at the email, you know, whatever it is, let me know. Okay. And it's me coming out like that. So, I don't know if I showed y'all, but I wanted to know if y'all like my limbs. I had to go to a new nail person, y'all. Okay, because the old one, I'm trying to get this meat out, y'all. Because the people that I used to go to, it's like they starting to mess up. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't tell this, honey. I just burned my life. Like, every time I come in there now, they keep trying to up the price. Like, all I'm doing is getting a fill-in. I ain't getting nothing different. How does the fill-in cost the same as if I just got a brand new full set? Am I tripping? Please let me know. Let me know, am I tripping? They don't want to keep trying to add something on extra. You got. No, I did not. No, I did not. Like, y'all tripping now. And I had to tell them last time. Then, like, the last time I went, this is what really made me not want to go. Oh, y'all, that almost got mine. Okay. So, I say, oh, where did me go? Oh, here we go. Oh, this sauce is hot. Y'all see that steam? Burn my lips. Okay. Oh, excuse me. So, first when she had did my toes, she didn't even scrape hard enough, number one. Okay. No, I ain't got no Myra feet. And for the ones that watch Marty, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know who I'm talking about. No, I don't have Myra feet, okay? But what I'm saying is still, like, the dead skin, you're supposed to get that off. Okay? Oh, she didn't do that. I told her, scraped again. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm not gonna keep repeating myself, right? I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Now it's time for me to go get my nails done. So, I tell her, I say, I want acrylic powder and my top coat gel. Okay. Okay. You know, for the polish, I want my top coat gel. She said, okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Now, you know, when you doing your nails and stuff, you ain't paying attention. You know, you're on your phone, maybe watching a TV, you know, whatever the case may be, right? Then I told her I wanted medium length. Okay. I normally get a medium length. I don't really like short nails. So, now she done, like, she cut him. I'm like, these not medium. So she was like, I asked you if you wanted it there, and you said yes. I said, that's for my pinky. That was long enough for my pinky. I said I want medium length nails. So then she was like, you want me to do over? You want me to do over? I'm like, you know what? I don't even have time. I think this was like, I think it was like 6, 7 o'clock. So they finna close anyway. I'm like, whatever. It's okay. Just keep going. So I'm like, okay. It ain't gonna hurt. Try the short nails. Okay, cool. So, get the short nails. Now I'm finna pay. I'm like, hold on. What you charge me for? Because that's not what I pay when I come and get a pedicure and a manicure. I mean, I'm like, that's not how much I pay. For my nails alone, I don't even pay that much. And you got me short. You don't charge me the same thing. You say, oh no, it's gel, it's gel powder and a gel coat. Huh? I heard, ma'am, I didn't ask for that. So after going back and forth with him, I just said, you know what? I'm not coming back here because every time I come, y'all literally keep trying to add something on. No. No. And then she just did everything wrong. That's just like really probably took me off because like everything was wrong. Like you didn't even complete my feet. Then I didn't get none of my nails that I asked for. So, and it's simple. Like I'm simple. So, it was crazy. So, y'all tell me. Now, I want to know how much y'all spend for y'all nails. How y'all like y'all nails. And, if y'all was pressed for time, would y'all still have them redo it? Or would you just be like, you know what, you'll just keep it? Tell me how you is about your nails. That's what I want to know. Tell me how you is about your nails. And fellas, tell me how much you would spend on your girl's nails. Tell me how much y'all spent. I ain't gonna lie, some of these prices are outrageous. I would never. You hear me? I would never. Number one, I'm cheap. Let's put that out there, okay? I'm cheap. $100 for some nails. I'm sorry. And my nails usually break. They actually been getting better. I ain't really been breaking no nails. Y'all can see in my videos. My nails actually ain't been break that often. But $100? I don't know. A little steep with me. So y'all tell me about that. Cause baby, I'd be like, you spend what on what? But you know, everybody different. Some women love their nails, you know? So, especially if you got it, it ain't nothing, you know? I'm sorry. Even if I got it, I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I'm about, no. You know? So it's too much ginger. Oh, y'all want to see? You want to bite? I'm gonna use one more shrimp. I'm gonna pack this champagne. Okay. Oh, look at my little hair, y'all. Yes, I did not feel like flattering my edges. Okay. I like to put all that heat on my head. So, dip it one more time. I wish I could taste it. Let me do one more shrimp. One more shrimp. I'm gonna do one more shrimp. And then we're gonna pop champagne. Okay. I'm a little hungry, honey. Oh yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay? Share me, share me, share me. Okay? Make sure you hit that bell so y'all could be the ones to know when my videos drop. Okay? Okay. So no shots this week, y'all. I should have did this off camera. Let's see how it's gonna pop. So y'all, again, today makes my year on YouTube. I'm excited. I'm happy. Thank y'all. Continue to subscribe. Come on, join the babooskis. Okay, it's gonna be a whole lot of babooskis out there. Okay. Okay, babooski. Okay, y'all ready? One. Okay. Okay, honey. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So cheers to me, y'all, and cheers to y'all. So we all family right here, okay? Excuse me, child. Ready? Cheers to us, y'all. That was a good little sip. Y'all, these scrunchies is like extra good today. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Usually I be on a crab. You know? I ate that yesterday. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, there you go. I'm like, hold on now. right, y'all. That's my last one. So y'all said congrats to me. Thank you. Thank you, boo-boo. Thank you. I just want to say, no, I'm just playing. Yeah. I'm just playing. Now, but I really am really proud, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. I promise y'all, if I did not start it, I would never start it. I'm saying if I didn't start it then. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Booski. Okay. Let's get one more glass. And another one. Okay. Okay. We toasting over here. Okay. Cheers for the one time. Okay, y'all. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Make sure again you forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share. Make sure you hit that bell so you can be the first to know when my video comes out. Oh, excuse me, child. They just coming. Oh, my lips on fire. So until next time, y'all.